Imagine a see-through glass panel that creates a private audio experience just for you. Meet Focus Sound, the see-through glass directional speaker. Similar to how a spotlight directs a beam of light, Focus Sound transmits a beam of audio directly to you. Listen. Now, enjoy your private audio zone for workouts, games, and music without disturbing others, even in the same home. As a revolutionary innovation, the patented directed audio technology delivers sound in a highly directed way. Without using traditional speakers, the see-through screen itself is the sound-generating unit. Free yourself from headphones while still enjoying incredible 360-degree spatial sound. Both vertical and lateral positioning provides a unique acoustic effect. Whether you're relaxing at home enjoying your free time, or having a video conference in a busy office, Focus Sound provides an immersive 3D sound experience, making your sound zone comfortable and private.
Okay, it's a really interesting idea.
With its sleek, low-profile design and see-through screen, it blends perfectly into any home decor. Experience audio like never before with Focus Sound.